Hello students, in this lecture we will study matrices from basics to advanced level. Here I will teach you matrices from the scratch, and this is going to be the best lecture for 12th students and the students who are preparing from any engineering competitive exams. So without wasting any time, let's start. Matrices. A matrices is a rectangular array of numbers having m rows and n columns. Rectangular array of numbers having m rows and n columns. The numbers can be real or complex. And I think you guys are already aware about what is real number and what is complex number. Real number is like 1, 2, 3, so on. And a complex number is which is in the form of a plus bi. For example, 3 plus 4i. Okay. Now we will denote matrices by only capital letters like A, B, C, like that. Okay. Now let us take one example. Let us say A is equal to A11, A12, A13, and this will goes up to A1n. Okay. Similarly, A21, A22, A23, this goes up to A2n. A31, A32, A33. These are the elements. Like that, it will go up to AM1, AM2, AM3, and this will goes up to AMN, and its orders are m into n. Okay, where m is the number of rows and n is the number of columns. Okay, we denote matrices like this. The elements are in upper bracket. Okay, now these are called elements or entries. Okay, and they are denoted as small letter like A, B, C, and their position is denoted as Aij. Okay, now what is rows and what is column? Okay, these are rows. Okay, we have m rows. These are rows, 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay, and these are columns. Okay, now I will show you one example and ये सब क्लियर हो जाएगा. Let us say A is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. What is the order of this matrices? We know m rows into n columns. How many rows we have? 1, 2, and 3. So we have 3 rows. And how many columns we have? 1, 2 and 3. So it is a 3 into 3 matrices. Okay. Now let us say if someone will say what is the position of the element 3. So how we will denote? We know the position of the element is denoted aij, small aij, where I is the ith number of row and j is the jth number of column. Okay, so what is I and j here? I is the ith number of row. Which number of row it is? First, second. So we will write a2. What is j? J is the jth number of column. So what is the jth number of column? 1, 2, second. So we will denote 3h a22. Similarly, how we will denote 5? It is a ith row of row. How many row it is? Which number of row? Third. A3. And which column? First column. First one. So it is noted as A31. Okay. So my matrices can be denoted as A is equal to Aij m into n. Okay. I guess now it is crystal clear what is matrices, matrix. Now let us take another example. A is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, 5. How we will write its order? M into n. What is m here? Number of rows. How many rows we have? 1, 2, 3. N is number of columns. How many columns we have? 1, 2. So it is a 3 into 2 matrices. Okay. Let us take another example. B is equal to 1, 2, 2 plus 3i, 4, 5, 6, I minus 1, 0, 2, 3, 4i. Okay, how we write this order? M is the number of rows. How many rows we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into how many columns we have? 1, 2, 3. 4 into 3 matrices. If someone will say what is the position of 0, so we can write as A ij. What is I? Ith number of row. With which number it is? Third. And j is the jth number of column, which is also A33. So my A33 is 0. Okay. Now this is, I think, matrices क्या होता है, कैसे ये सब क्लियर हो चुका होगा आप लोगों को. So in the next lecture we will see types of matrices and its properties. Okay, so if you like my videos, like my tutorial, then please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new updates. Okay, okay my dear students. Okay, we will see in the next lecture.